I come in again and I want to read for you something. Here is that in the Matthew chapter 16 verse 16 talk about Simon Peter answered, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." What is the meaning? This is here is you are the Christ. You know that people say a lot of the Christ we come, right? The Emmanuel's people say like the Bible talk about. But here the Matthew chapter 16 verse 16 talk about this is answers to all of believe Jesus Christ. Okay, I want to read for you here is the something important in your lifetime. Here is the religious Bible talk about. I want to open for you here the Psalm chapter 2. Want to read for you a little bit, my friends, my brother and sister. Here, let me check out. Okay, let me check it. Here, the Psalm chapter 2, verse 7 talk about that little bit about my friends, my brother and sister. Pero le pakwa bakala limate limate siku sever siku ne debra. So simo Petrus severa nemikre me yala amuedga apukwa agikruno. Basaro pay betinita to me le litaba twirl daro tassitopatra ni dewe dile. Tassitopatra a sedo key attack to Devida Palo, Seduki Saponuino. The Psalm chapter 2, verse 7 talk about here. I want to read for you a little bit. I will proclaim the degrees of the Lord. He said to me, "You are my son. Today I have become your father. Today I have become your father." Away it Devara talk to Wayne Pegasidilo. Tassitopatra Seroki Saponwini, Yekasi the Telo, Tamalonilo. Yuasibaya, Nera ineme Yapuqualo, Yama Lutolina lo, Mum Satanili, Yama Lutolina lo, Mum Satanili. Little Gudaro, Pakro Patu Pathala, Patamupuron. This is meaning we should believe us, okay, in our heart. Jesus is Christ. No pakete malo tawe ni mitala akra bawa sikolo. Pakro sukumolo tamata le pay siko pakro ledani. I want to read for you related verse. Matthew chapter 14 verse 33 talk about a little bit here. I want to read for you a little bit. Rapeni Eropane through Limate a Sado, the Silui a Sapo 30 Tamatado, Poera Delay, Eropa paid the Sipo. Then those who were in the boats worshiped him, saying, "Truly you are the Son of God." Away Bagdad Malupacanyolo Ulla Klibu did panim. Awe buto bato ordo sila awe meet tamita dole pagdeta mala yapuquanilo neme yapuqualo. Pagdeta ma here is the Penny Mathew said do to Silvia Sabot the tune no dopa owe like a babu to pa heho do buto bato do siweda nera in the me yapuqua no you are there. You truly you are the Son of God. I went in the me you are pukwa no. No pagasi tilita mata way delay. Okay, didn't to pakele kwala the the weaknesses talk about here is the Mark chapter 8 verse 29. talking a little bit about this. I want to read for you here. Mark chapter 8, verse 29, little bit here. When it began on the parlor limb, Marco but what about you? He asks, who do you say I am? Peter answered, you are the Christ. Away ne pagasi pagatela taita glue dile. Pedro aweda seba o mimi thuwate thusile yamin matagale. Do sopi true siseta seba o name krilo. You are the Christ. Here is the another witness talk about that. Luke chapter 9 verse 20 here is little bit. Okay. Pero pag edo le pala le Luca asapo kui asapo kisini teveda dile paglekwa. I want to read for you here is the Luke chapter 9 verse 20 talk about here. But what about you? He asked, who do you say I am? Peter answered, the Christ of God. The Christ of God. Pedro pagasila liluka asado kui asapo kisine katuda dilo. Do wera seba o me thuwate thusila yame mataragale. Do so Peter siseta rasiweda. Neda name yua cranilo. Away in mid name yua cranilo. Okay, Jesus is a Christ. You know that the God, the Son of God, okay, the Son of living God, you know. I want to meet Okay, I want to read for you a little bit about more related Bible. Here is the John chapter 6 verse 69 talk about a little bit here. I want to read for you. We believe and know that you are the Holy One of God. I want to pana no panala pathinya la away in the me but that so sidga you are no away name that so sidga you are pero bakla kwala translate ka to da la maniti mi le benely you are so kusabo kusi queenie panali do pathinya li lo name you are that so sidga ni lo name you are that so sidga ni lo. Okay, meme dinero pekle kwa page sepo. Le you ha sado to sit a sepo key seed on Luini katu talo mile. John chapter 11 verse 27 talk about here a little bit. I want to read for you. Yes, Lord, she told him, I believe that you are the Christ, the Son of God, who was to come into the world. You know, this is he believes about the yes, Lord. She told him, I believe that you are the Christ, the Son of God, who was to come into the world. This is Mary's Magdalene's talk about to Jesus and her sister. Do Pedro pekle kwalo le you ha asado to sister asapo kisi nuini katu taro palo tamanu to me ne pekle kwa page sepo devada ni do siba o yenalo kasa yenalo ne me pwa helo su hako kle you are pokwa krenelo we believe that, right? We believe. Let us go out of pay le tabatula that sepo act. Okay. I want to read it for you the related act chapter 8 verse 37. But I don't see the new vision. They written the misses one chapter. One verse they missing. This mean about the I find in the phone. the Bible verse here talk about a little bit. And Philip said, if those believe with all thy heart thou mayest. And he answered and said, I believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. I believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. When we know, we understand about the thing. Okay. No, but thing y'all tell Martha when it panapasico, pain, Mata. Mata said, of course, but the sinuini get to doubt body. Pain book like one, no? The sinui. Mata a saddle call, sabot the sinuini. Pero Devra Nemisuki Nakila, Tadoplanyado, Ridunano, do aweda to set out a siwera. Yanala Yesu Krine, Mejua Apuqualo. I believe Jesus Christ is the Son of God. I went in Pakasik to ordinate to law. Okay, I want to read for you about the mole. Here is the Acts 9 chapter 9 verse 20 talk about a little bit. Pero pagkatema limata asado kui asabo kisine katutara pala patamu bulu sector kai nilo. Payne Devra as once he began to preach in the synagogue that Jesus is the Son of God. When you begin, a west side of Katura. This is a Paul preaching. Paul preaching, okay, in the synagogue that Jesus is the Son of God. That Paul started preaching. Know that Paul he see the Jesus Christ in the Damascus, right? We know exactly. We know. The Pedro Bathinya Sikol in the Bible talk about, right? In the Bible talk about. No pain if Bathinya Tama Atala, Daletaki, Mutinino. Pay Limata, Saluquiso, Kissinica to dollar. Do o any a thought no do a player ball, Damesepulo, do sit a tail or color, bublo. Tapapu, let us shoot the guy, me joa poqualo. Jesus is the Son of God. I want to seek to what in it. Me joa the guy, me Jesu crane, me joa poqualo. Okay, I want to read for you in the Hebrew chapter 1 verse 2 talk about a little bit here. No, but edo panitulo, lebri, a settle to a subpool. Kini katuta tagitaklo luminutimile. But in these last days he has spoken to us by his Son, whom he appointed there of all things, and through whom he made the universe. Okay. No, pero pete timano learn ni katet pai. Katuta poa, la pukwa apa le panebata takele do ti hokusiko lo olo. Away ni pekatuda le taitaku dinitulo. No, pero last one I want to read for you and the last two verse in the Bible. Penny pero le pasiko le tabatumacharo, bakale lo kito li sosikito ni lo. 1 John chapter 4 the verse 15 talk about a little bit here. But then penny little you are suddenly supposed to see any katuta. If anyone acknowledges that Jesus is the Son of God, God living in him, and he in God, God living in him, he in God. When he bakra patupada lebetamu punim. Later you are sado, lui is supposed to see an ekatura de long. Hera pala all let you sue me you are poqua name. You are always swellerpu, dot weather or weather, you are pulo. Okay, another one is the 1 John chapter 5. Verse 5 talk about a little bit who is it that overcome the world. Only he who believes that Jesus is the Son of God. Awani pagdeda mala poala sukenaki Yesume yua pokwa. Pero lite yua sero ye sapu ye name. Debra dile. Mate meba poala anala Yesume yua pokwa nero. Me mata man hoku degale. Me mata man hoku degale. Okay. My friends, my brother and sister, believe that Jesus is Christ. Jesus is Messiah. Jesus is Son of God. Okay? The Son of the living God. Believe it. Alright. My friends, my brother and sister, I think God will show you something important in Jesus Christ. You will learn important thing in Jesus Christ. Okay? Jesus will show you the way. Jesus is the truth. Jesus is the life. Okay, later you are to tolo creepo. You are do net thulu creepo. A sacred glue target thing yatu. Let it down. Yesune, Yesukrene, me, you are a mover. Penny Bugitano Mala Crane, Mailer, you are Pukwanilo. I think you will get something from this. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. God bless you all. I will come and see you again. Bye bye. See you next time.